I'm cooking crispy egg. A little bit more of frying to make it crispy. Cooking crispy egg is delicious. It is crunchy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye! Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you will be updated with my upcoming videos. It's just a simple video I'm making, guys, for you to enjoy and watch. Thank you. Bye.